work. I'm worried less about your depth here and more about the constant intensity of your squat. So down, up, down, up, down, up. 3, 2, 1, rest. Single leg burpee. All right? The option is up there. Keep it lower or higher impact. Ready? 2, 1, let's go. Here we go. You're coming up to 1 foot. Back 2, up 1, stand. Good work, 7. 2, 1, rest. There we go. That's round number 1. We're back to the top. Inchworm, hop ups.